Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Do you want to know how to cancel your Varsity Tutors membership? Well, I'm here to help you out. In today's video, I'll show you two simple methods to cancel your Varsity Tutors membership. So let's talk about the first method. The first method is pretty simple. You just have to call to their client services at 888-888-0446. So once you call at this number, a specialist will assist you with the cancellation process. It's so simple, right? Now, you can also cancel your Varsity Tutors membership by following the second method as well. The second method is you have to go to the Varsity Tutors website. So type varsitytutors.com, then log into your account and then click on the home button at the top of the page. Now from the menu, select manage my membership and then stop my membership. Follow these prompts until you reach the final confirmation to complete the cancellation. Note that you will still be able to use their services until your plan period expires. So that's it, guys. These are the two quick methods by which, if you follow them correctly, you can cancel your Varsity Tutors membership. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips like this.